to another edition of Cooking with Sylv Mac, and today we are going to make a quiche without the crust, and we're going to make it with smoked salmon and spinach. Yum! So the other day I used my new Traeger grill. Y'all know I am way excited about that. And I smoked some salmon, so I still have a little bit left, so I'm going to use that in the quiche. Let's go over the rest of the ingredients, and then we're going to saute up the vegetables, and then we're going to put it together, and then for the big surprise, I'm going to cook it out of my Traeger grill and give it a nice little smoky flavor. I cannot wait to taste this. All right, so let's go over the rest of the ingredients. I've got about 3 big handfuls of spinach that have been cleaned. We've got 1 green onion chopped up, both the green and the white part. I also have 1 clove of garlic, and then I have a serrano pepper. These are really hot, so you want to be careful when you use it if you really don't like a lot of heat. If you don't like heat, then don't use the seeds or use the jalapeno. But the serrano peppers are like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 times hotter than a jalapeno. So I chopped up one pretty fine. I still left the seeds in there, and I'm only going to use half of that though, because otherwise I don't want to burn our mouths. The other ingredients, of course, we're going to use eggs. And I've got 5 eggs here. We will use 3 eggs and then 2 egg yolks only. Also, we're going to use a cup of half and half. Maybe about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. For my cheeses, I'm going to use some, I'm kind of a cheese snob. I don't know about you, but I love Tillamook cheese. And I've got about, and this is Swiss, so I've got about a cup of that. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese in there as well. For the spices, I'm going to use white pepper. Of course, I don't like those black spots in there or specks in there. And then a little bit of lemon, because I like to brighten everything up with acid. And then I have some whole nutmeg. So this is what it looks like. Whole nutmeg, they're so cute. And I've got my cute, look at this little grater. This is so cute. Anyway, so I'll just use just a touch of this because this is strong. But you always want to put this in with your egg dish, with your quiche, I should say, or your frittata. All right, so now I'm sauteing the vegetables. You can see I just kind of wilted the spinach a little bit. I put the pepper in there and then also the onion. I'm just going to put just a little bit of salt in there. Not much because a lot of the salt is going to come from the smoked salmon itself because I did season that up pretty good. So I'm going to turn the heat off and let this cool for a bit because I don't want it to be too hot when I add it to the egg mixture. Of course, otherwise then you'll get scrambled eggs and we don't want that. So you can see I've got the eggs in here and it is 3 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. So we'll beat that up really well. Now I'm just going to go on and add this nutmeg. This is the whole nutmeg, and I just love my cute little grater here. Okay, so now it's time to check on the quiche. Woo! That looks delicious, doesn't it, honey?
Yes.
Can't wait to try it. Okay, so it's hot off the grill, so now let's taste it and see what it tastes like. Right now I know it looks nice and fluffy. You can taste the light smoke. You've got the spinach, the onions, just a little bit of garlic, and that smoked salmon. Baby, this is awesome. If you want the recipe, you can just replay the video, or you can look down in the description and I'll have it right there. Don't forget to like all my videos and follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and like my channel. Until next time, cheers!